Hi guys, this is Nana again.
Yeah, we're trying to find a sharp knife to cut our bread.
Yeah, this is not very sharp. But anyway, we're doing this mini cooking series
we're
tonight.
doing this mini cooking series, and whenever they're here, we're going to be cooking stuff.
This is what they call written.
Thank you.
So, do you need any more
Yeah,
slices?
so we're just cooking garlic bread, as you can
I'm
see.
going to have these, but that
Ooh, that's hot.
Yeah.
I just touched it.
In the oven.
Yeah.
There you go.
So,
Do
yeah.
you like to have any more slices?
No, that's good for now.
That's good.
Slice.
So, how many slices do we have here?
Now,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also go check on my other video. You will see it. Me and her were discussing on squishies. He was annoying us. He was annoying us in my video. And yeah, so now we're starting a new little mini series. So yeah, hope you like the series.
well, Courtney and I now are going to have some spaghetti and
Spaghetti,
Do you want small
garlic
plates or
bread,
big plates?
and
plates are good.
and-
Which plate do you want, Courtney? This
none for now, only because I'm not that hungry.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I bet now.
But you're going to have some garlic bread, are you?
Sure.
I'll put a little bit on your plate, not very much.
And for dessert, I might have just like
Okay, I'll put a little bit on your plate to go
that
with the garlic.
much of brownies
This be
and
your plate?
not the princess.
Well,
Fine.
which one do you want? The name of God.
Fine, just do princess. Okay.
Okay, we do princess.
Yeah, so she just standing there going like, it's the close up.
What?
We have 2
You're
plates.
waiting on 2 plates.
Okay, Miss Courtney.
She didn't want very much. She
No.
said. Okay.
Well, I can take that if that's too much for you.
Well, no, I'll just eat as much as I possibly
Okay.
could of it. Just gonna chug the rest of this fresca. So, let's do this.
Sure, here, use that one. It's easy. Okay, can you keep an eye to the bread?
Oh. No, you look after your own bread.
Your bread's in there too.
Shout out to Bunny. Okay, so
Very long.
now we'll be eating. So, I'm waiting on the garlic bread. So this should be tasting good. Yep, we have 2.
Okay.
Brownie.
Gotta check the bread.
Wait,
Pretty quickly.
let them see.
Yeah, put your tablet inside. Never go.
You guys, I wasn't even putting you guys in. I wasn't. I swear. What are you drinking?
Some Diet Pepsi.
In this, what does it say?
Coca-Cola. But it contains Diet Pepsi.
Yeah.
Toast.
So, we should
This has to go out to the... You
recite.
show how to show the people how to get out to the... where we throw our...
So, you walk around the kitchen, or you can walk around there. I'm just taking a shortcut. You walk into, oh my god, horrible lighting. So, since I have this in my hand. Ow! Okay, sorry again. Oh my god, now it's over there. Trick shot. I made it! I did a bottle flip and I made it! Okay! So, now time to eat. I can get the garlic
Bread
boy.
will be here in just a minute.
Mobber?
Are they going to watch us eat?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so she took her first bite. How's your first couple bites?
It is delicious. Papa did
So,
a fantastic
she
job.
has her garlic bread right now.
I didn't think it was done enough for you. Mmm. 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 It is tasty.
The oil.
Mm.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Oh, it's just burning. Oh.
Papa!
It's not bad.
You want to take this piece and I'll take one of those burner ones?
No,
Hmm?
I'm fine.
You're fine? That's the worst I find with garlic bread. You gotta be watching it constantly.
Butter, right? Can I come out and get right on that?
Yeah.
So yeah, now you guys know. Keep your eye on the garlic bread all the time.
You have to. If you don't,
Yeah, like that I could eat, but here, let
well,
me
you
look.
take this one and I'll get one of the more burnt
I'm
ones.
gonna see how burnt.
There's a nice piece.
Oh, well, then I'll take that one.
There's a nice one.
That's a good one with Courtney.
So I'll show you the burnt ones. Look at this.
Hey, just as that burnt.
Yeah,
Done natural.
yeah, and look at that. That's burnt. That's burnt. That's burnt. That burnt.
That's not burnt.
Yeah, but that's because that's on that side. When you look at that side with all like.
I'm having that one then, because that's the cooked one.
Come on, Missy.
Because he's such a brat. I need to grab a drink. Oh my
goodness.
Nana, you should have this
Yeah, I know, but I didn't.
in the cup. I will ask if I could have this.
What's that? All the things.
I don't know. Courtney is here.
Nana, can I have a cup? Just like a small cup of this?
Sure.
Can you pour it for me, Miss Darren? And make sure that you don't overflow
Close the
it like
pantry
you
door.
burnt then.
That light was on.
How did you turn it on?
Yeah, because
That's
it's
still hot,
still
yeah.
hot.
Can you pour me a glass of Canada Dry
Where's your glass to that?
ginger ale? You poured it.
No, I probably watched it.
Yeah, she watched it. Ginger ale. Now, Nana, see, you can read this perfect now
This
through.
one?
Yeah, sure. Nana, watch this. With the other way facing me, you can barely read words, but now look at it. It's perfect. You can see the words Canada Dry and ginger ale.
Cold.
I can warm it up. That's enough.
But you should sit and try to eat a little bit now.
Now you try to eat a little bit.
that
And
what
take
you
a video if you eat and let them see you eating.
First sip of ginger ale. Cold? That's warm. I hate cold. I hate cold pop.
Yeah?
Yeah. I would never drink cold pop.
Oh.
That's strange.
Now, first mine.
I don't like it warm.
I hate it warm. I mean cold.
Well, I wonder if Lucas managed to score any more goals.
I don't know.
How's your Diet Pepsi?
It's good, thank you.
How good is your garlic bread? Wait, no. Out of 10, 1 to 10, how would you rate that? 1 being the worst and 10 being the best.
10.
Spaghetti. 1 being the worst and 10 being the best.
11.
No, you can't pick 11.
That means it's excellent. It's above the 10.
How is your garlic bread?
My garlic bread, I'd rate that at probably the 7.
Okay, so for my ginger ale, let's take it. 11 out of 10. For my garlic bread, since it's burnt, I'll give it like a 6.
Alright.
For 6 because of how burnt it is. For my spaghetti,
Spaghetti? Lots there.
I know.
for my spaghetti,
Your spaghetti is delicious.
Isn't it? Oh, she got a mouthful. But of course she got a big mouth too.
Well, she's not
Watch out for
drowned
your,
for nothing.
watch out for your ginger ale.
Hey,
I would rate this at a 9.
would you? Oh,
Yeah.
I would give it a 10.
Well,
9
9.
out of 10 is not bad.
Oh no, definitely.
Did you like it?
I just got mushroom and it tastes bad.
You can't taste, that puts a taste on it.
You can't really taste the mushrooms.
I could. Yeah, like, see, there's like
just
5
pick
in
the mushroom. Where is it?
there. Right there.
Oh, whoop-de-doo. Now that's a bad pile of mushrooms.
Yes.
Goodness gracious. bad size of a mushroom that was.
Okay.
You guys, I like cooked mushrooms, but with spaghetti, I don't like it.
Well, you're weird.
I know. I hate tomatoes, but let's say that you told me to rate tomatoes, I'd give it a 0, being the worst thing in the world.
Tomatoes?
Yeah, for tomato soup, I'll give it 11.
But you like tomato soup? You like this
For ketchup,
tomato?
I would rate it like a 1.
Well, you're not related to me or your father.
Because
ketchup I would give a 20.
What? I hate ketchup.
I love it.
Like, would you put it on in that? Would you?
I probably could. I think I can eat ketchup on just about anything.
Yucky.
No, I love it.
Looks like they still got Windows 7 there.
Probably.
You want some more?
No, I'm full.
Sure.
Wait, no, okay.
What?
Oh, I found I went into Walmart for those bags, and when I was going through the door, and I seen a big box there. People puts their spare bags into the box, so put my hand inside the bag, inside this plastic container, and hauled out a handful. When I was going for checkout, buddy said, "We don't take low food bags." He was tormenting, eh? I said, "Yeah." I said, "You know why? Why?" I said, "Because you don't charge for them." Yeah, Windows 7 Professional, yeah.
Yeah,
Means
so...
you can't get updates.
Come on, Courtney, eat a bit of spaghetti.
You guys!
What do you do?
You guys will have to watch the video after because I just literally zoomed into her nostrils and there's a booger in there.
Get out of my nostril!
So yeah.
Courtney!
So now I should be watching this
Nasty.
video.
Now I gotta cover my nose, cover my nose.
So whenever I zoom
Nasty.
I can still see it from those little tiny cracks.
These more
Courtney.
not all right.
I dipped into Papa's ears.
Oh. What are you doing? Let me see. Let me try that. Here.
Hello,
What do you do? You can't see it. How do you see anything?
You're back this way.
Oh, okay. Right now I know. Let me try. You try. Give. No, get. Where am I? Where are you? Oh, here you are. Oh, there you are.
Yeah.